message to our leader, the one that made us, the one that cloned us. And that is Mr. Black. And we finally captured number 00. Yes, we got him. He'll be to you soon. We haven't brought him to you yet because he is unconscious. We knocked him out to get him on our ship. There's a Man in Black member. His Men in Black clone. His Mr. Black clone 2020 signing out.